Valentino Rossi, 1 and 2 here. We hold our breaths, it's Rossi,
no.
The dream is over, it's not going to be today.
And that's the championship gone, I think, as well for another Italian.
It could have been a fairy tale.
Mamma mia, that's what they're saying in the garage. Very well. Now problems for Rossi.
Who's that?
Zarco's gone down and he's taken out Dovizioso. Dovizioso's gone down as well. Unbelievable. He's lost the World Championship lead at the first corner.
Can you believe MotoGP in 2020? He's furious with Johann Zarco. Incredible, isn't it? The championship will change.
Dovizioso can't believe it.
This French Dragon, Happy Siren as what a save!
Yes, Happy.
My goodness me!
Oh my goodness!
Chapeau!
Oh, brilliant stuff there.
That was quite remarkable reactions from Siren. I mean, we saw his teammate Aaron Canet see it, but
managed to get that tight line through and still hold on to second. Four abreast, this is brilliant, and McPhee's going to take the lead. What a move that was there from John McPhee, who we're on board with.
Seen that a few times, Steve. The drive that McPhee gets up the hill out of turn 8 and then over that crest has been absolutely brilliant.
Oh, McPhee's
down, that's huge for the championship. Down at turn 9 where he's been so good all weekend. What a massive blow for John McPhee and the 2020 Moto3 World Championship. He knows it.
And Mir, fastest lap of the race, Fabio Quartararo. Not seen him fire up for a while, but he's closing now on Valentino Rossi. It gets even better for him, and he is closing across the line. Is this the moment where Fabio Quartararo pounces? He's up by his teammate and he goes through into the lead here. Fabio fires up once more and wins here in Catalunya ahead of the two Suzukis.